What up guys, today I have another interesting update for you guys, and I know you're going to love this update because we have two ways of earning from this platform. Now the first one is going to be a free way of earning, which is the daily mining free USDT, but it's going to take a very long time for you to be able to cash out doing the free mining. And also we have the other way you can make money, where you will need to make deposits and you will try to multiply this money by yourself. I'll be showing you that in this video, how you can multiply the money by yourself, and by doing that you can easily and quickly withdraw your funds from this platform. I'll be showing you step by step how you can also do that in this video. So if you're interested in knowing how this thing works, stick to this video till the end. Okay guys, quickly let me take you step by step how you can get registered. Now to get registered, you need a link to click on, and the link is in the description of this video. Just go down there, click on it. It will bring you to a page looking like this, where you can quickly do your registration. All right guys, so once you are on this page, the next thing you should do is to make sure you put your email address over here in the top box. You put your email address there, and immediately you click on get code. Now once you click on that get code, a code will be sent to your email address. You need to go there and check it and copy it. If you don't see it, check inside your spam box. It might be there, so you go in there, you copy it, and you bring the code over here, and also you have to fix it in this box over here. Now after you drop the code in the box, the next thing to do is to put your password. Now you have to take note of this. The password has to include a capital letter, then normal letter, and also a number. Those are the things you need for this password, or else your password will not go. It will not work. It will not accept your password. So that's that. And you need an invitation code. Here is mine. You can copy it right now, or I'll just leave it on the screen. It's going to be blinking so that you can easily see it and copy it right away for you to register. So once you are done, all you need to do is to click on register, and you are going to have an account. So quickly, I've already registered an account, so I'm just going to dive into my own account right now and show you how we can be cashing out from this platform. All right, after you log into your account, you are going to come to an interface looking like this. All right, never mind, mine is looking black. It's because I activated the dark theme setup. That's what I did. If in case you want to do that, let me quickly show you how to do that too. You come to mine, click on mine, then you go to setup. Once you click on setup, you can see it over here, the night mode. You have to see the night mode over here. Just click on this button, then you can switch yours to a night mode. I prefer mine this way, that's why I'm using the night. So once you get into the application on your page like this, what you need to do in order for you to start earning free USDT daily by mining is by clicking on this daily mining button, which is over here, this one over here. You click on it and it's going to open this way. I've already clicked here today, so I won't be able to earn again. If I click right now, it will not give me anything. So all you need to do is, when you come to this particular page, and all you need to do is to click one of these buttons you are seeing here. It's either you are clicking this, you are clicking anyone. Just click one of these buttons for you to get some USDT. Right, so I'm done. I've already clicked for today, and I can't earn anymore. So that's how you can earn some USDT here. For you to be able to see the USDT you earn, let's go back. I'll show you. It will be added to your balance. You can see it over here. You go to your mine, click on mine, and you are going to see, you can see it over here. Your USDT that you just mined, that was added to your balance, is over here. So you can easily see your USDT account here. Now on this platform, you can actually make deposits with either the Tron, or you are using USDT. And if it is USDT, you are going to be using the USDT TRC20, the Tron blockchain. Those are the method of payment on this platform. I deposited 100 Tron on my balance right now. With the minimum of 10 USDT or 10 TRX, you can get started on this platform. All right, so to deposit, let me just show you the procedures quickly. I've already done that. So all you need to do is to click on the recharge button, which is over here. You click on recharge, then all you need to do here is to click on copy the wallet address, which is over here. Click on the copy icon, and you are going to copy the wallet address. Then you go to your wallet wherever it is. Like I said, you can deposit TRX or USDT. So, and the minimum for both coins are 10 TRX or 10 USDT. You can deposit on this platform. Also, I would like you guys to take your time to please read what is written here. I always tell you guys, take your time to read, because the more you read, the more you get to understand what you are doing and what you're getting yourself into. So please take your time to read and understand what this is all about. All right, so once you are done, you can send your whatever amount you want to use on this platform. Send it, and it takes just few minutes. You're going to see it on your balance like this. So I already made deposit of 100 TRX over here. So I'll be showing you how I was able to increase my 100 TRX to this particular amount you can see on my balance right now. It's very easy and very interesting. Okay, so the next thing you should do after you make your deposit on your platform, on your balance, the next thing you should do is to click on home, go to the home section, and what you can do in the home section here is for you to click on the BTC or the Ethereum cryptocurrency you can see over here. But let's click on Bitcoin anyway. We click on Bitcoin. That's where we are going to be making use of our deposit, and we are going to be earning instantly from here. All right, so the next thing, once you get to a page looking like this, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of what you are going to be doing here in order for you to start earning. Now, what you're going to be doing here is almost the same thing with what we did with the Toark application. I don't know if you guys have been following my videos. You must have seen I made a video on Toark application where we are going to be trading without the knowledge of a trader. You know, it's similar to what we are going to be doing here. So in case you've not seen that video, the video is in the description. I'll leave the link in the description of this video, and also it's going to pop up on the right top corner of this video. You can click it and watch it later on for you to understand what I'm talking about. All right, so let's continue with this one here. So like I said, it's similar to what we did on the other platform, Toark. So what you're going to be doing here is just for you're going to be guessing the outcome of the next number. Once you get to this place, you can decide to use 5 minutes. You can see the time frame. There are time frames there. You can decide to use 5 minutes, 1 minute. You know, it's left for you to check it out. It depends on what the minutes you decide, the time frame you decide to use. As for me, I want to show you how to use the 1 minute time frame quickly, because with the 1 minute time frame, all you need to do is to guess the next number in the next 1 minute. That is all you need to do. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that right here, right now. So you have to wait for this countdown. Look at this countdown over here. Take a look at this countdown. It's almost over. That's why it has been cancelled. So it's going to start from 59. That's making 1 minute. So for the whole countdown to be all through, to be finished, you have the chance to place a bet. You have the chance to guess the next number to come up. So it's very simple. What we'll do here now is to click on buy. Now right now, okay, no, before we do that, let me show you something. You can see the number that is over here, the 3. Here we are. You can see this number. These are the 3-digit numbers from the Bitcoin current price. So you are going to be guessing the next price, the next number that is going to be called. You can see it has changed. The next number, if it's going to be higher, if it's going to be big, if it's going to be small, you need to guess, and you are going to place a bet on it with your deposited money. So you just wait for 1 minute for this countdown to be true, and you are going to be seeing if you win, you see the win, you see your money on your balance. If you lose, it's gonna be gone. This one is over, so I'm just gonna wait for the next 1 minute. All right, now let's wait for the next 1 minute, and I'm going to take one bet for you guys to see, so that you're going to see what I'm talking about. All right, a new one is up now. So all I need to do, we have 6 plus 0 plus 4 equals 10. All right, let me click on buy. Click here, 10. So let's say big. Let me select big. Then here I want to put the amount I want to use to place this bet. So you can place as low as 0.1. You understand? 0.1 TRX. So I just use that, and let's see what happens. You can see my balance already is 100.1600. So I just placed a bet with 0.1. So let's see the outcome of it in the next 1 minute. Okay, it's almost over. Check it. Now I think I just lost that. Let's quickly check the record. For you to see your outcome, you have to click on record in order for you to see. Then you click on transaction. Okay, I just lose. You can see over here it shows that I lost. So I lose this one. You can see I've been playing this for a while now. That's why you can see the win lose, you know. I've been losing, I've been winning, so it's not a straight win all the time, you know. So that's what I've been happening here. I've been trying it and it's been going, coming. All right, so the best thing for you to do once you get here is I want you guys to click over here. Click over here on the rule and read to understand what the game is all about, and you understand better. So there are some explanation over here that can help you understand the game very well. So once you click here, you can see over here, you know, you can see over here they label everything and give us details of how to play the game, you know. So you can take your time and, you know, go through it to understand everything about the game. So it's as simple as that. You can easily deposit, try and multiply your money, and you can withdraw all anytime you want. So that's how you play the game over here. So now I just want to show you guys how you can also withdraw right now after playing the games and you've earned some USDT or Tron TRX. You want to withdraw, you can just go back to your wallet, go back to your accounts. Let me go and show you that. Okay, you click here. All right, I want you guys to understand, before you can make withdrawals, you need to have bet on this platform like at least 15 times. Like me, I've been doing it. That's why you see I have more than 100 TRX on my balance. I've been using it. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, but I just want to show you guys how to withdraw anyway. Right now I've already did my betting for like 15 times, I think more than that. So I'm going to make withdrawal for you guys to see. So the next thing you should do over here is to click on withdraw, which is here. Then you go to your wallet and copy your wallet address. Make sure you're copying the TRC20 of USDT or Tron, anyone you are using. So you have to copy it and bring it and paste it here. I've already copied mine. Just gonna paste mine over there. All right, so the next thing to do is to come over here and write the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum to withdraw is 10 USDT or 10 TRX you want to withdraw. That's the minimum. But for me, I will withdraw maybe like 80 TRX, so that I can just keep playing and keep betting more games with the 20 TRX that will be left on my balance. All right, so the next thing to do now is to click on withdraw. Let's go. Okay, now we have to set payments password. Let me quickly go back and set my payment password. I haven't done that. So right now I'm going to pause this video because I don't want you guys to see my code. So after putting the code, you will be asked, once you click on the finish button, you'll be asked to get a verification code from your email address. All these things are for security reasons anyway. So you have to get the verification code, and before you can get it, you have to click on this get code, which is over here, this blue get code. Click on it so that the verification code will be sent to your email address. So let's do that straight away. I'll click it. Okay, now a verification code has been sent, so I'll just have to go to email address and copy the code and bring it back here. All right, let's go, paste it, then confirm. All right, so it has been successfully modified. I have added my withdrawal wallet over there. So now the next thing to do is to click on withdraw. Let's go through the same procedure. All right, I just did that. I just paste my wallet address. Now the next thing to do is to write the amount. Like I said, I'll be withdrawing 80. Okay, let me just go back to the 80. All right, and click on withdraw. This time around, it's going to ask me for my code. Okay, I'm going to put my password, my payment password, and good to go. Let me pause this. All right, that's good. So all I need to do now is click on confirm. All right, successful. So I just have to wait patiently for me to get the 80 Tron in my wallet, the 80 TRX in my wallet. So same thing goes if you are using USDT. It's gonna be the same procedures. So the thing is, you can definitely deposit and try and multiply your money and you withdraw it instantly. So this time around, you can do this on and on every day, you know, on and on. So this is not a financial advice, but I am showing you guys some things that I do online just to earn some extra cash online. So guys, this is part of it, and it's an interesting platform. You can go ahead, take your time to go through and do your own research on this platform before you deposit or you do anything you want. Share your referral link and earn more from this platform. by using your referral link. You can see it over here. Once you come over here, please take your time to read and understand about the rebates, how you're going to be earning, from the referral program. It's an interesting platform. That's why I'm showing this to you guys. Now let's wait for a few seconds or few minutes to see if we've gotten the TRX that will be withdrawn in our wallet, and I'll be showing you that before we wrap this video. I just got the 80 TRX in my wallet, and it did not even take up to 5 minutes. So just few minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I got it straight up in my wallet. So if you want to be part of it, the link is in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it, and you can follow the steps in this video to start earning from this platform. It's not a financial advice. This is strictly educational video. I'm just showing you and telling you things that I do online sometimes to make some extra cash. So if you are interested, please do your own thorough research before you jump on this. But as for me, I think I'll be doing this for the meantime, and try and see if I can keep multiplying my balance. That's the most important thing. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. And please do not forget, before you can withdraw, you need to make sure you bet about 15 times on this platform, and you can go ahead and make your withdrawal. And don't forget for the daily mining, you can always come in to click. I think once or twice you can click the buttons, then you are going to be earning from here. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time on my YouTube channel. Subscribe and click on the notification bell sign for more updates coming up. I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.